Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. It's been a really long I have communicated with you all. So there are three purposes of talking like that. So it has never been before this in my videos. So you might have seen in my last three videos, like I have uploaded a cooking video and then a general talk I did regarding some skin issues. So these are the things that will be in future also. So these are the content you can expect from my side. So what I want is I want a reply from your side. Long back I have posted a poll on Instagram where I have asked whether you want to see cooking on my channel. So majority of them voted for that, and for that purpose only I have uploaded that video and I have got a quite good response. So thank you so much for that. And going forward also it will be like that, like makeup, skincare, hair care tips will be there. Along with that, cooking videos will also be there, and we will have skin talk sessions and issues related to it. So if you agree with this concept, then I want your maximum likes on this video, and also tell me in the comment section, like going forward, would you like to see my videos in English or you want me to change the language? If you will suggest me, so I will be making videos in Hindi going forward. So जैसा भी आपको सही लगता है आप मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा, और इस वीडियो को लाइक जितना ज़्यादा मिलेगा या डिसलाइक मिलेगा, आई एम रेडी फॉर दैट. So I will just have a mindset that you guys are ready to see such content from my side, because I'm thoroughly confused. So this is something I really wanted to hand over to the subscribers, so they will be rewarding, coming up with the fair decision. So I have just left it with you. Watch this video, tell me your views, and also give some suggestions to me. You can just tell me anything related to, you can also help me to do grow my channel. So just tell me in the comment section, and we'll be meeting soon in my new videos. Till then, bye.